All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Pendle. So, Pendle has been having a nice run lately, as you can clearly see on the chart here. But a couple of concerning things to watch. This may, in fact, be your top. You can see there is over 9 hours left on this candle here, but we did just lose support at the 21-day EMA. So, if this does not get bought back up, that's going to break your uptrend here. And your next stop is going to be your 382 and your 50-day EMA here at about 24 cents. So you're looking at about a 17.5% drop from where you are right now at 29. But if you do, in fact, get bought back up and you do get back over your 21 and that turns into a wick there, then that's about a 4% move to get back up there. And if you do end up holding that, like I said, 40 would be your next stop back up here at the top at about a 38% move higher. But you can clearly see on the chart here, if you do bounce back up, you do not want to get stuck at 40 because that would create a double top here and then you would just completely fall off the table. So if you end up holding your 21-day EMA and moving back up, you want to blow through 40 cents here or it's going to be extremely bearish on Pendle. So with that said, just watch this 236 for a bounce at 24. And if you end up bouncing here, that's extremely bullish. But like I said, you do want to just go right past 40. You don't want to just sit there and get stuck. So let's go ahead and measure more of the downside move. If you come down here for that 18% drop and you lose 24 and the support at your 50-day EMA, you can see you do have your 382 down here at 17, which I would say you need to stay over if you want to keep any kind of bullish momentum to the upside. So you're looking at about a 40.5% drop down here. But you do have a lot of support. Like I said, it does look good. I like the gaps between all the EMAs here. You do have your 200 way down here. So this thing is still extremely bullish, even though we did just have a sell signal. So that could just indicate that this thing's just pulling back and it's going to bounce at one of these levels down here and then continue its journey higher. So we do have a sell signal. It is moving down. The gap is getting bigger here on the MACD. The RSI is right on the 50 line here. So once we see this gap get bigger and these things start to move down and the RSI move below the 50, then that just indicates that you do have a lot of momentum to the downside. So just watch these couple of price targets there that we did point out. If we look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles really quick, you can see that we are getting larger red candles here with no shadow. So that just tells you that there is a strong trend to the downside right now on Pendle. So I would watch a couple of these levels down here for a bounce. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Just watch those prices. Hopefully, if you are in on Pendle, you did take some profit up here after this nice run. When did this run start? This run started back in January. So yeah, it's been having a good year so far. So hopefully it'll hold one of these support levels and that will continue for Pendle here. So with that said, not financial advice. Remember, go follow me over on Rumble. And with that said, peace out, everyone.